Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2018 CBR 600RR. We're going to be doing an oil change on this thing, and I'm just going to take you through the process and how I do it. Very simple, basic routine maintenance that anybody who owns one of these should know. It can save you a good amount of money having a shop do it. So. First step is to warm it up. You never want to change the oil of a cold motorcycle. Start here taking off these fasteners. We got some bolts here, 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 here. So there's 4 screws, 5 screws under here, and then there's a rivet that's a screw type rivet under the front of it. Probably impossible to see, but there's another one here. So this part of the fairing here, little tab that you just disconnect. So yeah, there's another one of those screw type rivets in here. I can barely even see it, so holding this on. You can see that, but there's a little tab there that interlocks into here. So one thing that's important here is to use clean pan. That way I can inspect it after I'm done to make sure there's no brass in there. Crank bearings are what I'm super concerned with here. Here's your drain plug, and your oil filter is here. So this is the tool that I use to get the oil filter off. It's a strap wrench. I'm a shop here, so I deal with all different types of oil filters. So instead of having a whole bunch of things, I just have a whole bunch of tools. I just have the one. And this works by going onto your 1/2-inch ratchet, and then as you tighten it, it'll tighten this, and then at the same time spin the oil filter. As I turn this, the whole oil filter will turn. And here we have the crush washer that didn't come off. Here I got a new crush washer. Torque wrench. So when I go to the filter, I clean off the gasket surface. One, to make sure the O-ring is not there, and 2, it's pretty dirty, so you want this to seal. And today we're using the Bel-Ray full synthetic. One thing it's important to do is fill up your oil filter. See it's wet. Now these racing filters have a 17mm nut on the end of them, which are really, really good. It makes changing the oil really easy. So you just start it by hand. We take our 17mm. You don't want to go too crazy, just snug. And then now I have all this engine oil here. You've seen me use it before, the Advanced Auto Parts Brake Cleaner. Quick work of this. we have a sight glass here, so we're going to fill it up till it's to the top here, or the top line. I'm going to turn it on. Everything's just the opposite. To get these out, you unscrew it. When you push them in, when you put them together, you just push them in. Thanks for watching me change the oil on this 2018 CBR 600RR. If you like the video, go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe. All that stuff helps out. And thanks a lot. And I will see you later.